Meet Tom. His small Italian restaurant makes the best Italian food in town. The restaurant has a local following, but business is not doing well because of COVID-19. Tom noticed his customers are going online and placing orders with competitors and online marketplaces. Therefore Tom decides to create online store for his restaurant. So Tom goes to his web agency and asks for online ordering and a mobile app. The agency comes back with a proposal for a custom-built platform. It's extremely expensive and will take 3 months to roll out. Tom's also heard of third delivery apps portals that provide a shared online ordering system for restaurants. It turns out they take 15 to 30% commissions from all orders got through their system. This would make thousands of dollars every month lost to him. Then a friend of Tom suggested him to check out OrderEm platform, an online food delivery system created for restaurants. Tom signs up and adds the Order Online buttons to his restaurant's website, apps, and Facebook page. He then turns his own smartphone into an order receiving machine by installing the OrderEm app. Then phone starts beeping whenever orders roll in. Finally, Tom's team started concentration on making delicious Italian food without stuck on taking voice calls, mishandling orders and no need to wait for customers. Orders to dine in directly with help of digital menu make customers to scan QR code to view menu and place order directly with payment in safe and smart way. Tom's customers are very joyous to use the app to place order from anywhere. Tom is now looking to hire more delivery persons as per orders keeps increasing and likes to offer curbside pickup, drive-through. Visit OrderEm to offer online ordering to your customers and no commissions on your orders.